Very good morning, class 4th. This is your IT period, and the name of chapter is Logo Primitives. The chapter is 10, given on page number 46. So please check out page number 46 in your IT book. In previous class we have started this chapter and I taught you how to make a square with the help of Logo Turtle. So let's revise it. So what is Logo? Logo is a programming language and the full form of Logo is language of graphic oriented. We use Turtle to make different kinds of shapes. And what do we call to that screen? We call that screen main screen, and where we draw our shapes we call it drawing area. And below this we are given command box. In command box our commands are recorded and we input our command in input box, and this is execute button. After giving the command in input box we click on execute button to run the command, and where our turtle is placed in the center of screen we call this home of turtle. Okay, this was the revision of previous class. Now we are going to study about primitives. I told you that the commands that are given to the turtle are known as primitives. If we want to move our turtle in forward direction we use the short form FD. If we want our turtle to move in backward direction we use the short form BK. For moving our turtle to the right direction we use the short form RT. For moving the turtle to left side by n degrees we use LT as short form. We input the short form in command with n. N can be any number. This is the distance that our turtle travels. So today we will study about some other primitives. So let's start. Set n turns the turtle right by n degrees. It turns your turtle, and turtle always counts the degree of angle from its straight up position. The position on which your turtle is present, it always counts the degree of angle from straight up position. Next one is home. When you write the command home, it moves your turtle to the center of screen. From wherever it present, it takes your turtle to the home. Next one is clean. Cleans the graphic screen but the turtle remains in its last position. The screen will be clean if we use clean primitive, but our turtle will remain on that position where we have left it. Next is clear screen, means CS, clear screen. It will clear the graphic screen or main screen and it shift the turtle to home. This is the difference between clean and clear screen. Both will clear the screen, but the thing is that in clean primitive our turtle will remain to its last position, and in clear screen our turtle will come to home position after clearing the screen. Last one is bye. As we say our friends bye when we go to our home. So in the same way bye command or primitive is used to exit the logo. And what is the meaning of n? Like FDN, BKN. So n can be any number. That number where n can be that number how much your turtle will take the steps. Okay. Now please let's come to page number 47. Some more primitives. We are going to study about some important primitives now. First one is hide turtle. Hide turtle means if we want our turtle to hide and work without seeing it. So for that purpose we use to primitive hide turtle or HT. The short form of hide turtle is HT. As you can see in this image, the command is FD40. Okay, but they want to hide the turtle to see the straight line. So after FD40 they have given the command HT. So the line is there but the turtle is not visible. Here our turtle is disappear, our turtle is hidden, so we call it hide turtle. If you want only sketch to be drawn without seeing the turtle on the screen, you can use the hide turtle or HT command to make the turtle disappear from the screen. The turtle continues to draw but cannot be seen, means our turtle will draw the shape but it is not possible to see the turtle. Okay, in this diagram you can see that our turtle moves forward by 40 steps, that is okay, and in another one the turtle disappears from the screen because we have used the command HT, means hide turtle. Now you can draw similar figures using the commands. First of all, in this image you can see that there is HT command used. HT means hide turtle. Turtle is hidden and they have given the command of FD40. So you can see that the turtle is drawing the line but the logo of the turtle is not visible. Okay, the hidden turtle can continue to draw figures further. Our turtle will move in forward direction but the turtle is hidden. Now please come to another page to learn some new primitive, that is show turtle. Show turtle means, in last one we study about hide turtle, means whenever we want to hide the turtle but want to draw the image, we can use HT or hide turtle primitive. But in show turtle, if we want to see the turtle and our turtle is hidden, so to show the turtle we use show turtle or ST command. So the short form of show turtle is ST. You can make the turtle visible on screen by typing show turtle or ST command. Okay, for example, step 1 is given. First of all, we have to hide turtle because only if we hide turtle, after that we can ask for show turtle. So here you can see that our turtle is hidden. But in next one I want to show my turtle on the screen. So just see the command after HT hide turtle forward 40. Okay, the 40 steps are taken by my turtle and now I want my turtle to be show. So I inserted the command ST, I give the command ST. Now you can see that the turtle is visible. Okay, when we give hide turtle command it will hide our turtle, and when we give show turtle command you can see that our turtle can be easily viewed on the screen. Okay, so these are the two important commands, so please learn about these basic commands.